slideshow videos, Instagram stories, intro templates, product demos. What type of video are you making today? At Placeit you can find hundreds of stunning video templates. Each video maker is carefully designed to look professional. Our video makers are super easy to use and let anyone with an internet connection create high quality videos in seconds. Edit logos, mockups, videos and design templates with just a few clicks. Each template is carefully made by design experts, so your work will always look great. Get started with the best video maker at placeit.net.